Yesterday we didn't quite get to hanging this art up on the wall before Nicolene Peck got here, so we're going to do it first thing today. Good morning, y'all. So we're back in the garage at the studio house. There's a few things we want to try to get done this morning before Nicolene Peck gets here. She's one of Nate's longtime clients. She's awesome. We want to work on trying to get some more of this workbench finished up in the garage. We want to get some artwork, some artsy type things hung up in one of the rooms. But our first priority is to do some of this ladder stuff before she arrives. We're really excited about getting this workbench finished up so Nate and I can use it for future projects. Alright guys, so Nicolene Peck just got here, which means I'm not going to be doing any more sawing or screwing because of the noise. So we're just going to get cleaned up here. We didn't make it to hanging stuff on the wall in the green room, so we'll do that tomorrow. That is the hope and the plan. I feel like we made some pretty decent progress. We'll see how far we get tomorrow. Good morning. We are in the green room of the studio house this morning. I mentioned this before, but yesterday we didn't quite get to hanging this art up on the wall before Nicolene Peck got here. So we're gonna do it first thing today. Just wanted to show you, this is the art that Nate was able to AI generate, or one of the pieces of art to hang up on this wall. It actually looks super cool. I'm really excited to get these hung up on the wall so that this room can be used as technically two filming locations with two different backdrops. They just can film facing one direction or the other. So we're gonna get these hung up before we head back out to the garage to work on the workbench. So let's get to it. Okay, we're back out in the garage. We're gonna do some more work on the workbench. We're probably not quite to the point where we're gonna get the surface put on top. We're gonna get a few more legs on, make sure everything's sturdy or firm, and then a few more braces from ball back to front. Then we can screw the top on to when we get to that point. So let's go ahead and get started.
Alright guys, so I just got finished cleaning up and trying to organize the garage a little bit. We're finishing up, so I don't need those on. We've kind of finished up for the day. We're making slow and steady progress. I do want to get a few more braces from the front to the back wall here on all of the sides, just to make sure that it's as firm as it can be when we get the 1/2 inch. I always call it plywood. There's probably actually another name for it. But once we get this top on the workbench. But for now, we're gonna call it a day in here. I'm actually going to head up to IKEA to get a few more packages or cases of those brown patio tiles to put on the green room wall. And then we'll finish that project up another day this week.